The endocrine system. The endocrine system includes all of the glands of the body and the hormones produced by those glands. The glands are controlled directly by stimulation from the nervous system, as well as by chemical receptors in the blood and hormones produced by other glands. By regulating the functions of organs in the body, these glands help to maintain the body's homeostasis. The brain has three main glands. The first one is the hypothalamus, which is a part of the brain located superior and anterior to the brainstem and inferior to the thalamus. It serves many different functions in the nervous system and is also responsible for the direct control of the endocrine system through the pituitary gland. Then the pituitary gland, also known as the hypophysis, is a small pea-sized lump of a tissue connected to the inferior portion of the hypothalamus of the brain. Many blood vessels surround the pituitary gland to carry the hormones it releases throughout the body.
On the other hand, the pineal gland is a small pinecone-shaped mass of glandular tissue found just posterior to the thalamus of the brain. The pineal gland produces the hormone metalonic that helps to regulate the hormone sleep-wake cycle known as the circadian rhythm.
The thymus is a soft, roughly triangular organ located in the medial portion of the thoracic cavity. The thymus serves a vital role in the training and development of T cells, who are an extremely important type of white cells. The T cells defend the body from potentially dead pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland that sits on the low front of the neck. The thyroid has two side lobes, connected by the bridge in the middle. When the thyroid is normal size, you can feel it. The thyroid secretes several hormones, collectively called thyroid hormones. The main hormone is thyroxine, also called T4. Thyroid hormones helps the body to grow, develop, help in the metabolism and body temperature.
We all have 4 parathyroid glands that are normally the size of a grain of rice. Occasionally, they can be as large as a pea and still be normal. Parathyroid glands are small glands of the endocrine system which are located in the neck behind the thyroid. They control the calcium in our bodies, how much calcium is in our bones and how much calcium is in the blood.
Adrenal glands are triangle-shaped glands located on top of the kidneys. The outer part of an adrenal gland is called the cortex and produces steroid hormones such as cortisol, aldosterone, and testosterone. The inner part of the adrenal gland is called the medulla and produces epinephrine and norepinephrine, which are commonly called adrenaline and noradrenaline. The ovaries produce hormones, such as estrogen and progesterone, which cause secondary sex characteristics and prepare the body for childbirth. Estrogen increases at the time of puberty, causing the growth of the uterus and vagina. Estrogen is also responsible for secondary sex characteristics, such as female body hair and distribution. Estrogen and progesterone are responsible for the development of the breast and for the uterine cycle. In a man, the testes, which produce sperm and testosterone, are well outside the pelvis in the scrotum. The testes produce the following hormones: testosterone, which determines the sex of the brain in the fetus, stimulates the descent of testes before birth, regulates sperm production, promotes the development of secondary sexual characteristics at puberty. Inhibin, which inhibits secretion of FSH from the pituitary gland. The pancreas is a glandular organ in the upper abdomen, but really it serves as 2 glands and one. a digestive exocrine gland, and a hormone-producing endocrine gland. Functioning as an exocrine gland, the pancreas excretes enzymes to break down the proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids in food. Functioning as an endocrine gland, the pancreas secretes the hormones insulin and glucagon to control blood sugar levels throughout the day.